In this video, I will show you how to test NRF24L01 module with ESP32. I have added status LED for both sides. If LED is blinking fast means NRF not connected to ESP32 or NRF wire connection issue. If transmitter LED glows means the data sent successfully. Every 1 second, receiver LED will glow based on transmitter input. Please watch full video to make this project. If you want to connect antenna with NRF module and keep more distance between the transmitter and receiver. If you keep both transmitter and receiver very close after connecting antenna, the signal will not receive properly with receiver side.